Hey guys, Mark here. We are here in Reigate on this beautiful sunny day. Look, I'm wearing my raincoat. We've been working on this van all day today with the gazebo up. Luckily, it's just as we finish, it's just stopped raining, so that means we can do the bigger reveal. Now, if you've seen a bit of information about the new SR5 racking system from Sortimo, this is one of our first fits, and actually it looks amazing. This is a Locksmith van, so let's go and have a look inside. Have a look at that, guys. What do you think? So let me go for it. Richard, who's filming, is going to get very upset with me because he's just cleaned the floor. I'm going to stand in it. But I've got to show you guys this. So let's have a look over this side first. So on here we've got three really, and we've got look, a load of dividers in there. So we've got the 3 drawer system on here. I mean, it's on roller slides. It's really well made. We've got the T boxes, which are recognised from the previous Globalist system. So these have got all the sorted dividers in them, I think, as he says. Yep, so this one's got a load of small dividers. You can get loads of different types. You can have these just on rails which lock in place, or you can have them on these sliders. Beauty of these, especially for a locksmith when they're working on the bench here, they don't want to take the whole thing out, so they can put loads of stuff in here, transponder keys, all that kind of stuff. So there's 3 of those. There's an open shelf up the top. Now, new feature of the SR5 racking system is you can actually underslung the S boxes now. So you can see these now pull out from underneath. So you can actually have them underneath and on top, which means reduction in shelves. So you can imagine you can have top and bottom S boxes on one shelf. So that's one less shelf you have to have. That means reduction in weight and a reduction in cost. So over onto this side, another new SR5 feature is these new pull-out drawers. These, in this instance, there's a bit of a gap here, but these can be underslung right under here. So if you want to really cram some space in here or get rid of the space, you can really design these up tight. Again, just your normal sit on top S boxes there, and another one of these pull-outs here. So if Richard wraps around to the other side of the van. So we've made this in a bench configuration here, so the machines are going to sit on top. Again, a load more of these. Actually, if you have a look inside, you'll be able to see like some of the different configurations you get. And with these as well, actually, quite cool. You can divide them up further. So, you know, if you suddenly decide you want more trays, less trays, you can divide them up so much more. We've got some open shelving here, so this is good for all your tools and stuff. This has got the Pro Safe rail. So we have Pro Safe on Globalist, but you can see there's plenty of places to strap, and this also a new feature is the Pro Safe floor. So it comes with pre-installed Pro Safe clips, so you can strap all the way along the floor as well. So plenty of places to strap stuff down to stop it smashing up your nice new racking. So yeah, as we said, here there's a bench, so the machines will be mounted on there, and that's it really. I think it's a really clever system. I think it's really well made. And obviously you can make it bespoke to you. So this locksmith wanted this in this way. This is how we've done it. There's loads of different configurations you can have, you know, from basic shelving to boxes to these slide outs. So yeah, have a look around and enjoy. Nearly forgot to show you guys one extra thing that we fitted, or many extra things we fitted to this van. Down here, we've got the Ring 1000-watt pure sine wave inverters. That's going to be really great for the key machines and charging batteries on site. And all the other bits are under here. So we've got the leisure battery, which is powering that. And if you look just down there, we've got the split charge system. So this is the Ring 12 volt to 12 volt charger. So that's all fitted nice and safe under there. That means that this is running completely independently of its own power. So even if you run that, leave it on overnight, charging batteries, it's not going to affect the starting battery. Completely separate. It's great for warranty, great on new vans because you're not affecting the van's warranty system. Thanks for watching.